Hey, let's talk honestly for a second. You know that moment when you stand up from your desk and feel like something's missing from your setup? That's exactly where the INNOCN 45C1R becomes less of a want and more of a need. This is for the kind of person who doesn't settle for small improvements. You've already felt the difference between good and great hardware on your PC or laptop, and now your screen feels like the last piece that hasn't quite kept up. You don't want gimmicks. You want clarity, space, and flow without compromise. Before you go any further, check the current price and stock. A monitor this distinctive doesn't linger when people finally start paying attention. You probably had that exact moment where you realized your old display just wasn't cutting it anymore. Maybe you kept dragging windows from screen to screen, squinting at tiny side panels, or juggling apps just to fit everything you needed in view. That's not productivity. That's limitation by design. The first day you switch to this ultra-wide, the difference hits you not in specs, but in experience. You don't think about display ratios anymore. You use them. It feels like your workspace finally matches the way your brain actually works: wide, panoramic, uninterrupted. Imagine editing footage where your timeline runs from one end to the other with room to spare. Imagine gaming where you see more of the world without stretching the edges. Imagine having your browser, notes, and reference material all visible at once, without windows overlapping and competing for space. Suddenly, everything feels intentional. It's not just bigger. It feels smarter. Once you've lived with that much visual real estate, going back to a standard screen feels boxed in. Every time you look at a narrower monitor, you notice the absence of space, and you hesitate. If you're wondering whether now is the time, check availability while you're thinking about it. Screens like this tend to catch attention fast, and regret always shows up right after a price jumps or stock runs low. You might tell yourself you can live without such an expansive view. That thought disappears the first time you drag a window across the curve and feel how natural it feels, like your eyes were missing a lane. Here's something most people don't expect: it actually changes how you think about your tasks. With more visible context, you make fewer guesses, fewer clicks, fewer adjustments. Your workflow feels organic, not forced. Owning something like this shifts how your entire setup feels. It doesn't just sit there. It anchors everything else you do. You feel immersed and uninterrupted longer. Your workspace feels efficient rather than cramped. Multitasking finally feels natural instead of awkward. Your focus sharpens because your visuals keep up. Your setup feels intentional, not patched together. It's large and demands desk space. Curved ultra-wides aren't ideal for split-room viewing. At some point, you stop comparing percentages and refresh rates. You stop reopening spec charts. You already know what feels right because you've now experienced how much smoother clarity can feel. If you're ready to stop compromising your view and start owning a setup that finally matches your workflow and ambition, check the current price and availability of the INNOCN 45C1R now. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you keep putting off only to regret how long you waited.